All right, so in this video, I'm going to share 5 reasons why you should start selling your own physical product, your own brand on Amazon in 2021. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So the first reason is that Amazon is growing like crazy. Obviously, not just Amazon, but e-commerce in general has seen the most growth that it's seen in ever. Pretty much. We are at unprecedented amounts of dollar revenue growth. Amazon and e-commerce jumped 44% in Q2 of 2020 and 37% in Q3. So that is a huge amount of growth. Now, 1 in every $5 spent on anything happens online. So 1 in $5 of anything someone buys is online. That's talking about like mortgages and all kinds of stuff. So much money is actually being spent online versus in brick and mortar, right? And of course, why is this? It's because people can't go to the stores, but this trend is going to continue because everyone's habits are changed now. We're so used to buying stuff from Amazon and from websites and things like that, whereas people that were kind of late to the game that didn't want to buy stuff online, now they are buying stuff online. Pretty much everybody has been forced to adopt some type of online shopping and habits. And so because of that, the growth on Amazon is just going to continue to accelerate, and there's going to be more and more people coming there to buy more and more types of products. And so that is the number one reason why you should sell your own product on Amazon. All right, the second reason is because you're stuck at home, right? Like all of a sudden in 2021, everything's not going to completely open. A lot of people are working remote. You're going to continue to work remote. You're able to stay at home. The kids are at home. Like everyone's kind of, you can't go do all of these things that you're going to do. Instead of just sitting there watching Netflix or whatever, YouTube or whatever, keep watching this channel. But instead of watching all those things, you could be starting an Amazon business and making money that way. So that is the second reason why, is because, hey, what else are you going to do anyway? The third reason is job security. A lot of people have lost their jobs due to COVID-19. And a lot of small businesses and even large businesses have had layoffs. They've closed. I don't have the statistic right off my head. Maybe we can edit it in, but a huge percentage of small businesses have closed and they're never going to open up again. And so if you are working in any type of industry that's been affected by that, you know how hard it is to be fired from your job or to be laid off because of economic slowdown and downturns and stuff like that. So instead of being like, oh my gosh, what am I going to do? Start working on building an Amazon business, your own brand, your own physical product thing, where you're taking advantage of this tremendous growth and you have something for yourself that only you can fire yourself from. You can't be fired from a business that you own. You own it. It's your business, so nobody can fire you. Of course, you can lose money and not have great revenue and everything else, but you can't be fired from your own business. So the third reason is job security. All right, so reason number 4 is it allows you to earn an extra passive income. So the great thing about Amazon is that once you set everything up, once you do all the hard work up front, on the back end, it's going to just make sales for you every day while you're sleeping, while you're eating dinner, while you are at the movie theater. Well, if you can ever go to a movie theater again, while you're doing any of those things, your Amazon business is out there, your listings up, people are buying your product, you're making a profit no matter what you're doing. So it's a great way to earn extra income. And here's the thing, I don't think you should quit your job. If you have a job, you should be doing it, because building an Amazon business does take money and it does take work. But the cool thing is you can be working your day job and your Amazon business can still be earning you side money on the side. And then as it grows, eventually you can quit your job and have the freedom and stuff that you want to have. But in the beginning, for 2021, you just want to focus on growing your business and having this extra income on the side. So reason number 4 is the passive income that it provides you. And the final reason number 5, is because, and honestly, if you're not going to do it, if this isn't a reason for you, then you probably shouldn't do it. Reason number 5 is because it is fun to do it and you can help other people. When you are developing your product and you're thinking about what you're going to sell on Amazon and the people you're going to serve and what you're going to do, you should be picking a niche, a thing that you love, that you're interested in, that you care about, and that you enjoy, that it's fun, that you're going to have a good time with it. And it can be something very fun. It honestly is going to be more rewarding than, you know, wasting money on a bunch of crap. Like, take some money that you were going to spend on something else and allocate it towards launching your Amazon business. Instead, take some money every month and put it into the business, learn how to do it, and you can have a lot of fun learning this business and doing it, and it can be something really good for you that's going to help you. So to recap, you're going to have the tremendous growth in 2021, just like we had in 2020 due to the COVID lockdowns and everything else. You're already stuck at home, bored anyway, so why not do this? Number 2 reason. The third reason is because it's going to provide you with job security. It's going to provide you with an income that if you lose your job, you're still going to have that. The fourth reason is that this is a passive business. You do have to work up front to get it going, but it can still earn you revenue each week with only a minimum amount of work in it. There's a lot of people who still have a day job or other things where they're able to make money. Reason number 5 is that it's fun and you can have a lot of fun. So if you're interested in starting an Amazon business, we have a lot of great content on our channel, and we'll also put some links below where you can get access to some tools and tips and tricks and even software to help start your Amazon business. Thanks for watching, and we'd appreciate it if you have any comments, questions, go ahead and leave them below and we'll answer them for you, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.